To check connectivity, we will use ping command, which is used to test connectivity of a network device such as computer or server. The flow is it will send small packets of data to the device and measuring how long it takes for a device to respond. To ping, we will simply use ping command and then specify the address ping, let's say google.com. It will show us the result. Now if we want to ping also ping Google DNS, we will use ping the Google DNS 8.8.8.8. It will show us the connectivity. Now if we want to send continuously 4 or 5 packet, then we will specify ping minus C and then packet. Let's say we want to send 3 packets and then google.com. It will continuously send 3 packets to the specified address.